Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to learn about something called COUNTIF. COUNTIF is a function that allows you to count how many or how many items. Let's say if I have the word pass, how many passes do I have in this section? So the way it works, you put COUNTIF and then you put from, which is right here, to here, and the name or the value that you're looking for. Let me change this to actually value. And that's a format that you use. So let's actually start with something. Let's say I want to do pass or fail, pass or fail. And then I'll put it in a small box. And let me just make it nice. So I want to check how many passes is actually right here. So let's actually make them 4. And then I'll use the same format as I'm showing it to you guys right here. I'll write equal, or you can write it right there, equal, and then I'll write count if, and then I'll select this section and I'll pick the first one, and then I'll press shift and then press to the last one, and then I'll put a comma, and then the word that I'm actually looking for is the word pass, and I will close that bracket. And if I press enter, it actually tells me there is 4 of those. If I do the same exact thing, I'll copy the same thing and then I'll put it here. And if you guys do that, do you guys see where it actually went? It went to the other section. And to avoid that, I'll show you guys what to actually do. If I press here, and if you know you're going to copy this eventually and you don't want it to change, all you have to do is pick on here on this number and then press F4, and then do the same thing and press F4 and then press enter. For this it didn't really change anything, but if I copy it and paste it here, and if I check here, it's still actually looking for the same section. And the only thing that changed is L13, which is the fail, and K13 is actually pass. So if you want to freeze a number because you know you're going to copy it and it's going to be the same, you can actually press F4 and freeze it. So that's actually what it does. So what COUNTIF allows you to do, it allows you to count how many passes and how many fails are in this section or whatever section you choose. So if I change this, let's say to pass, look what's going to happen. It changed 5 to 1. And if I, let's say, add another fail somewhere else, it's going to be 2. And if I, let's say, put something completely different, it just doesn't count it because I never actually put a case for it. It's pretty simple, and actually it's really a nice feature if you want to compare two things, passes or fails, or even more than that. You can compare more than one option, and it also allows you, if you want to make a chart or a pie chart at later time, those are pretty nice, which I'm probably gonna cover on later tutorials. Alright, thank you guys for watching, and please leave me a comment if you have any questions, and enjoy the rest of your day.